Enhanced black screen issue on PC. Restart your PC, close the game completely, restart the computer, open the game again, run game as administrator, right-click the game icon, select run as administrator, check if the black screen is fixed, verify game files, open Steam, go to library, right-click Conan Exiles, open properties, click installed files, select verify integrity of game files. Update graphics driver, open NVIDIA or AMD software, install latest driver update, restart the PC. Disable full screen. Optimization, right-click the games, shortcut, open properties, go to compatibility enable. Disable full screen optimizations, run this program as administrator, click apply and OK. Lower graphics settings, open game settings, reduce graphics quality, lower shadows and textures, restart the game. Delete corrupted cache files, open local app data folder, open Conan Exiles folder, delete cache and config files, launch the game again. Disable background overlays, turn off Steam overlay, turn off Discord overlay, disable NVIDIA overlay, disable Xbox game bar. Update DirectX and Visual C+, install latest DirectX install, latest Visual C+, redistributables, restart the computer, reinstall the game, uninstall Conan Exiles, restart the PC, install the game again, launch and test the game. Extra tip: if the issue started after a game update, wait for the next patch because some updates temporarily cause black screen problems on certain PCs.